now we can plot. So ggplot. Now this time the data to plot is the data that we want to use, okay, and then we have AES. Now we have different, there is an X and there is a Y. X is Chaz, okay, so from the data to plot, X is this and Y is that, okay. So Y is mean, I'm sorry, okay, mean MEDV, okay. And then, okay, so that's the data and what needs to be plotted and what kind of plot is geobar. Now we have to say stat equal to identity. So it's not looking for frequency, it's looking for the value the value will be used for the height of the bars. Okay. So this is going to give us the basic plot, okay, and then we have to add the bells and whistles. Okay, so what did I do wrong? Mean MEDV not found. So I have a mean.
Is it because that equal sign that you put X equals Chaz, there's no space?
No, that's not it. Okay, let's see what I have here. Mean MEDV. Yes. Oh, okay. So I have an uppercase M for mean. So that's an uppercase M. Okay. So yeah, in most cases when we have errors like this, it's some kind of typo like that, the uppercase, lowercase thing. Okay, so this is our basic plot. Now we can add more layers. So we can say GG title is
what is that? Is it a plus sign or
average median value, okay, and so when you put a plus and then press enter, it will automatically indent for you, okay, and if it does not indent automatically, then you know that you messed up something, okay. Now XLab is adjacent to Charles River, and YLab is mean value, okay, dollar. So you have the title here, Y label and X label. Okay. Now let's so now we're going to do value label. Okay, so what is the value of the height of the bar, right? And we're going to use geom text. So it's going to change the value into text and print it. So when you have text, again, you have to provide this as an aesthetic. Okay, so label equal to, so here is where we're going to build a string, okay, and you can build the string with some of the calculated values and whatever characters that you want to put, you can put, and that building of the string that we want to print, okay, you do that using the function called paste 0. Okay, so there is paste and paste 0. Paste will let you do well, paste 0 is what we're going to use. So paste 0, now you can build several strings and concatenate them together. Okay, so you want to put a dollar sign in front, so you say, okay, I'm going to say dollar sign, okay, and put that within quotation mark. And if you want a space after the dollar sign, you can put that. Okay, so that's the first thing that it's going to print. Okay, dollar sign. And then we want to print the mean med v. Okay, but mean med v is, look at mean med v. Mean med v is a lot, the numbers has many decimal places and everything. It's kind of not printer friendly. So we're going to format this. So you say format mean med v, and then we say digits. Okay, so digits equal to, so you have to specify the total number of digits we want. So we want to round it, so we have to the left of the decimal place we have two numbers, okay, and the right two numbers, so we say digits equal to 4. Okay. Now if you run that, okay, remember it's going to print right on top of the top edge. Okay, let's see what is, I'm missing. See here, there is a little red thing, so that means the number of parentheses is wrong. Okay, so we need one more. Okay, so that the error is gone. Okay, so now what do we need to do to adjust the numbers? We have v just, right? V just equal to negatives will move it up, positives will move it down. So negative 0.4, okay, that's good. Now, these are in thousands. Okay, the mean home values are not $22 and $28. So we can change the Y label, or we can add here. So after that formatted mean value, we can add another, okay, say K. So that character plus that, plus meaning, pasted together, that pasted with that, and then pasted with this, so with a space and then a K. Okay. And you can also, Y label, you can say here $1,000. That also works because these are 10,000, 20,000, and so on. Okay. Now, one last thing we can do is your Y limit. Okay, Y limit, we can increase it to, say, 30. So, plus Y lim is 0 to 30.